Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a PHP login program using PHP programming language in MySQL database. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers in my channel, especially to my avid viewers, Marshmallow, Sir Ernel, and Ma'am Robilin. Thank you so much for supporting my channel by watching, commenting. If you want to be shout out in my video, kindly leave your comment in the comment section and then leave the word shout out. Before we start, if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We have here a program. This is the login page, no? So let's say for example, I will type, let's say we have here 1 2 3 1 2 3, just a sample, username, password. When I click submit, it will display this message, welcome Jake or Pomperada, and then we have here a random picture, and then when you click log out here. Okay, so before we continue now, let us go with the code, how the code works now. So basically, we create a dump file with these different properties, no? Create table users, ID, username, password, name, no? The name of the database is PHP underscore login. This is the first record, no? I just updated, no? So we insert 1 de la Cruz 123, the username, password 123, and then we have here the CSS, CSS commands, HTML, the body here. Don't worry guys, because we are just having a walkthrough on the code. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. So our body, we have here the color, mean height, display flex, justify content center, align item center, font family, Helvetica, sans serif, main, background, padding, border, radius, header, text align, center, margin, button. We have here header 2p, h2 margin, okay, 005p, x0 group, margin display block, group label, display block margin, width, background, border, radius, button. We have here the width, border, padding, background, color, cursor, text transform into convert to uppercase, border dash radius, text color, non display block, line, center, hover button, header 1, image, and then we have here the message. Okay, so next we have here the index PHP, so every program in PHP we start with question mark, PHP tag, and then we are using a session underscore start, if session login, location, log out, it will be sent in this page logout PHP. And then in this line of code, we have here the starting of HTML, home page, and then we connect with our style CSS, and then we have here the welcome session, whatever the name it is, and then the random picture. We are just using this, pick some photos, 100 alternate, and then we have here the log out. And then for the login, we are checking the session again. Okay, password MySQL I connect. If you are new with PHP, we have here the root. We don't have password, and then the database is PHP login. And then we have here the post of username and password. MySQL I query, select name from users, where user name equals user, and password. It will check if the condition is true. MySQL I result greater than 0 if the record does exist. It will allow to login, else no account found, try again. And then this is the main body of our HTML here, login, body, class, header, PHP login, created by yours truly, Jake or Pomperada, MIT. And then this portion of the code, we are accepting the user input, username and password, in submit. and then display the message here, no, if there is an error, no, if you're not allowed to log in because the username and password that you submitted is invalid, no? And then we close. And then lastly, for the logout, we destroy, no, the session start, and then destroy, and then PHP login, no, redirection and exit. Okay, so let us go with the PHP my admin, no? So we have here the PHP underscore login. You have to create the database, and then we have here the users here. Now if you are knowledgeable enough here, we can add a new record, no? So to add a new record here, click users. Okay, so we have two records, Juan de la Cruz and yours truly, Jake Pamperada, no? Okay, so basically this is the record that we want, no, to be used, the records, no, that we have created. Wait. So here you have the record of two user, no. Okay, so we want to add new record, click insert here. Okay, so we want to add a new record, no. Let's say admin, the password, the username is we have also here admin. Take note, it is case sensitive, and then the name here is Jacob Samuel F. Pomperada, the name of my son. And then go. Okay, so if we go here, we have already three records, admin and admin, Jacob Samuel F. Pomperada 123 123, Jacob Pomperada 1 123 123 1 123 1 de la Cruz, no. So when we go back here in our program, let's say we have an invalid user. When we submit, no account found, please try again. And then if you type admin, it will display the name of my son, Jacob Samuel F. Pomperada. Okay, welcome Jacob Samuel F. Pomperada, and then we have a random picture. Okay, so when we log out and we put a new set wrong username password, error, submit. Okay, so welcome Jake or Pomperada. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video about login, in login program in PHP and MySQL. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you like my content, my videos here, by clicking the subscribe button if you're new with my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.